Hey guys, it's SARA VIDAL. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial for one of the new Jaclyn Hill palettes that comes in the vault, which is the Armed and Gorgeous palette, the palette that has all these yellows and golds. Anyways, I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. To start, I'm picking up the shade Access on a Morphe M441 brush, and I am just using this as a transition shade, so placing it just in the crease area. By the way, I'm transitioning from having eyelash extensions to just natural lashes, so bear with me. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Secure, which is a little bit of a darker orange shade, and I'm using the brush from Morphe, the M139 brush, and I'm just placing this right in the crease. It's okay if this part's a little bit messy because I'm going to go right back in with that first brush and really go over it again and make sure it's blended it with the first shade. I am just packing on a little bit of that same shade just on the outer corner because I'm going to be applying some more darker browns to the outer corner later on in this video, so it's just going to help create a nice base. Now I'm taking some of the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and I'm just going to be placing that all over the lid to brighten the area before I go in with some shimmers, just so they pop a little bit better. Now I'm taking one of my favorite products of all time, which is the Too Faced Glitter Glue, and I'm putting this all over the lid. This is amazing to use with shimmers because you get a lot of color payoff and you barely get any fallout at all. Now I'm taking the shade Guilt Trip on a BH Cosmetics brush 112, and I'm just applying that to the inner corner of the lid, if that makes any sense. The inner, like, third, basically. Also, I sincerely apologize for my haggard nails. I realize they're terrible, but I haven't had time to get them done. Now I'm taking the shade Coin on a BH Cosmetics brush, which I don't have the number for, but I will link it in the description below. But anyways, I'm packing this gold gorgeous color all over the rest of the lid, really packing it on, making sure it's secure, and kind of swiping a tiny bit when I'm applying it because I find that you get better color payoff that way too, opposed to just pressing. Alright, so now I'm grabbing the shade Smooth Criminal on a MAC 217 brush, and I'm just packing that on the outer corner of the eye. On the same brush, I'm going to grab some of the shade Prowl, and I'm just going to place that on top and just to start to deepen that outer corner a little bit. My God, I can't speak. Now I'm just lining my underwater line. Oh my God. I'm lining my waterline with a black eyeliner. And now I'm just going to smoke that out with the olive green shade, which is Top Secret, on a Morphe M432 brush. Now I'm taking some of that yellow transition shade, which is the shade Access, and I'm just kind of smoking that out even more underneath before I go in with the next shade. Now I'm taking the dark gold kind of color, which is the shade Classified, and I'm just smoking that out underneath the eye, just for a little bit of a pop. Now I'm mixing VIP and Guilt Trip as a brow bone highlight. And the last color that I'm using is just VIP by itself for the inner corner highlight because I want it to be very bright and very white. And there we have it. My look for the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Oh, that was a close one. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.